Don't you know the road rules? That's a critical mistake. Hi, I'm your instructor. Join our club and drive safely to avoid fines. Today we'll focus on parking regulations. It's not an easy task, and only a few of our viewers can do it correctly. Let's look at this challenge. Two cars have been parked outside a fire station. Which statement is most accurate? Option 1. Car A must park at least 20 feet away from the driveway, and car B must park at least 75 feet away. Option 2. Car A must park at least 75 feet away from the driveway, and car B must park at least 20 feet away. Option 3. Car A must park at least 20 feet away from the driveway. Car B can park anywhere. Option 4. Car A can park anywhere as long as it doesn't block the driveway. Car B can park anywhere. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you'll find out if you were right. I hope you've made your choice because we're moving on to explain the task. Fire engines need a lot of space to maneuver. In New York State, you must not park or stop within 20 feet of a fire station driveway or within 75 feet on the opposite side of the road. In this case, car A must park at least 20 feet from the driveway and car B must park at least 75 feet away. Therefore, the correct answer is option 1. Congrats if you chose it. Subscribe to my channel so that you'll never get stopped by the police or receive a fine.